million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me out in your sunlight. I know the way it makes me come alive.
Hey, I'm back with some human hair drip. Y'all know the drill. Human hair really ain't my thing, but a lot of you like it. So I try to get some affordable, nice quality human hair. And bam, we have gotten there before with Nay Beauty. Okay? We've worked with them 2 or 3 times in the past, and we have liked them. That's the only reason why we've repeated them. Let's hope that this one ain't trash so we can continue to work with them. Because if it is trash, I'm going to tell you, and we're going to move forward. Period. Let's see what's in this box. So it's a hard box. Okay. Lashes. Y'all know that I'm a lash fanatic. So they sent some lashes. An information card on how to follow them on social medias. Some wig caps. And this little hair piece. Look at that. Ha! Cute. Okay. Now this wig. They put the information on the outside of the bag, which I love it when companies do that. This wig is 250 density, period. A 5x5, which y'all know I love a 5x5, 4x4, 6x6, beginner friendly. 18 inches long, and it's a water wave. Ain't no point in sitting around playing, okay? Let's just take her out the little box, and let's see what she hitting on. Okay. Ooh, that water wave is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I'm just taking her out of her neck. Calm down, sis. Hold on. Shoot. Okay, taking the paper out. Y'all, look at that. This water wave at this density, this is gonna be some big hair don't care. Period. Okay, with the T. Cap construction is pretty straightforward. In the back, you get a comb and adjustable straps. In the front, you get that 5x5. You get a comb here to the right, and you get a comb to the left. Y'all know I love a 5x5 because they are beginner friendly, okay? Let me just show it to you straight out of the box. Then I'm gonna cut off this lace and play around with it, you know, plop it on my head and stuff, okay? Because you have a 5x5, ain't gonna be nothing that you gotta, you know, cut, blow dry, tie down. No. Okay, you ain't gotta do none of that. Okay. Now, you could wear her here in the middle. Because it's a 5x5, you could do a slight part to the right. You could also do a slight part over here to the left. We're gonna do our slight part to the right, I'm thinking. Okay, okay, you got baby hairs as well. Y'all, this about to be bomb. 10% recommend. And y'all know I never really get giddy about human hair. This wig is bomb.com. At this density, at this length, and the 5x5. Y'all, this one a must. Y'all know I ain't even no baby hair person. Look, I went and swooped them baby hairs down for this one. Y'all, this one is a must. Super beginner friendly. Definitely recommend this one. Look in the description box. I put a direct link to this wig, but I would encourage you to look around on their website, because say you like this wig construction the way it's made, but you want it in like a body wave, a deep wave. Y'all, they got them all. Nay Beauty is one of them companies that I really, really like. If I wore human hair, I would definitely keep this human hair, but y'all know I'm weird. I'm bald most time. If I'm gonna have on the hair of a human, I'm gonna have on my human hair, which is no hair. Okay? This one is bomb. And for the person that is gonna buy this off Poshmark, I didn't cut them baby hairs. I just swooped them down. Y'all, this is a bomb. I definitely recommend that you go and get this one. Like I always say, maybe you're not even into wigs. I don't know, maybe it's your cousin Tasha. Maybe it's your Uncle Timmy. Either way, we put them in this 5x5. While Timmy laying them, I don't know, 6x6 plywood strips. He can have on this 5x5 wig. A whole snack. Period. Until next time, y'all. Ooh. Which will be very soon. And y'all, you can wet this. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye, y'all.